Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you make informed decisions about your purchases. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best true t-shirt you'll ever own, the True Classic Men's Short Sleeve Crew Neck T-shirt. If you're looking for a t-shirt that combines comfort, durability, and style, this might be the one for you. Right off the bat, what makes the True Classic t-shirt stand out is its perfect fit. Unlike most t-shirts that either cling too tightly or hang too loosely, these tees offer a modern, athletic fit that hugs the body in all the right places. Whether you're wearing it on its own for a casual day out or layering it under a jacket, the fit is always sharp and flattering. And, of course, it's made with a fabric blend of 60% cotton and 40% polyester, which means it's incredibly soft and breathable, giving you all-day comfort. Plus, it's durable, so you can expect it to hold up through regular wear and multiple washes. If you're the type who hates those itchy neck tags, you'll love the tag-free design on these tees. The soft, screen-printed tag provides a comfortable experience all day long, without any of the irritation that comes from traditional tags. And for those of you who dread laundry day, don't worry, the True Classic t-shirt hardly shrinks. It's designed to maintain its shape and size, even after being tossed in the wash. And even when it does shrink a bit, it's minimal, so you won't have to worry about a tight fit after the first wash. The versatility of this t-shirt is another highlight. Available in a variety of colors, including carbon, military green, and navy, and with multiple pack options, you can easily stock up for everyday wear. Whether you're heading to the gym, running errands, or even lounging at home, this t-shirt will be your go-to. It's also available in a wide size range, from small to 4XL, so there's a fit for nearly every body type. Lastly, let's talk about value. At its price range, the True Classic t-shirt delivers quality without breaking the bank. You're getting a high-quality t-shirt that looks great, feels comfortable, and lasts long, all at an affordable price point. So, if you're in the market for a new t-shirt, the True Classic Men's Short Sleeve Crew Neck T-shirt is definitely worth considering. It's the best true t-shirt you'll find, simple, functional, and stylish. Be sure to grab yours, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this.